this is the Feet Up Trainer. I like to use this bench as I try to elevate my yoga experience with doing inversions and headstands. So I wanted to share a few poses with you all. I will be demonstrating later on in the video, um, just to help you get comfortable with the Feet Up Trainer. So when doing this, I recommend that you consult a physician because it's not for everyone. People with head, neck, back, shoulder injuries, people that have high blood pressure shouldn't be inverted. And of course, our pregnant moms should not be inverted. So be sure to consult your physician. And you can also use it, as you see, for stretching if you don't want to be on the floor. So let's get started with the slow demonstration on how to actually get in and up in a basic inversion. So you're going to put your head in there in the opening on the bench and stand in a downward facing dog position. Just lift your knees and walk your feet in as close as you can get. And engaging your core, tighten up that stomach and just kind of lift your knees. Now, this is a beginner method. So if you are intermediate or advanced, you may have a different way of getting into the pose. But this is the strategy I use. And try to keep your neck straight as you hold on. Do not let go of the bench. Keeping your neck straight so you don't experience any insensitivity there or pain. So that's it. So when you're ready to come out, it's just the opposite. Put your feet down and bend your knees. Slowly come out because you may be a little lightheaded. Take your time. And that's it. So let's get started. All right. Let me know what you think.